Hi folks, Terry Brown here, and I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments to check out this very brief message today, a success motivation mini message entitled The Principle of the Power of You. And this message comes out of my life experience, okay, in terms of me coming through a very dark place as related to my poor self-image, low self-esteem, and all kinds of stuff related to, an inferiority complex, etc. Okay, so it comes out of that, but also comes out of my training in transformational life coaching. And so it's a powerful message dealing with the power that we have as individuals, okay? And so this is the introduction. This is taking you in to the very first part of this message, okay? Tony Robbins says that the quality of one's life is directly related to the quality of the questions that one asks oneself. Isn't that powerful, okay? One of my mentors says that life begins with questions. It is the questions that we ask or refuse to ask ourselves throughout our lives that shapes our lives like nothing else can. So the principle of the power of you begins with you, okay? Asking yourself, okay, certain questions. In fact, asking yourselves some powerful, okay, life coaching, transformational questions. All right. And so we're going to look at those questions today. And the only thing that you'll have to do if you want to participate in this is just to be honest in answering the questions. It's only 4 questions. They're very powerful. Stay with me. I want to show you this. Okay, here we are. Now, again, it's very important that that when you answer the questions, okay, that you do so honestly. I know you will. Okay, and you see, this is the beginning of the principle of the power of you. Okay, and as you can see, the first question is, who are you? Okay, and the idea now is to go into, not what you've done, not what you have, but who you really are authentically, okay? Who you are at the core of your being, the essence of you. You see, these questions are really to help people to tap into self-awareness, to even think about, being aware of who we truly are as individuals. Okay, so it's times of self awareness, self reflection, introspection. Okay, why? Because we want to be able to tap more into this thing that we call personal power, the ability, okay, to take action, the ability to change our lives. And so that first question is very, very crucial, that we get that, okay? Who are you? Not what you've done, not what you do, not what you have, but who you are, okay, authentically, okay? And then we go into the second question is, why are you? There are many people who don't understand, okay, their purpose, okay? And so we want to help people. And one of the things I do in transformational coaching is help people to understand, to uncover, to discover, uncover, okay, their purpose. Because once you know your purpose, you can walk in your purpose, okay? So that's a powerful question there. And then what do you want? Man, see, we have to envision the kind of life that we want to live, okay? The kind of life that we can see in our mind's eye. All right, what do you want? Okay, and then where are you going? Now here's the key. Okay, it's very difficult to know why you're here, okay? And it's difficult to know what you want. It's difficult to know where you're going if you really haven't tapped into, excuse me, who you really are, okay? Who you really are. Now, look, there's a quote there by Shakespeare. Shakespeare said, "We know what we are, but not what we may be," okay? And so we want to even go beyond knowing what we are to, again, knowing who we are. Why? So that we may know, okay, what we may be. Man, that is, boy, that'll make you stop a while and think, won't it? See, we have the power. See, we have the power of choice, and that means that we can choose a different path, okay, if we don't like the one that we're on. Think about this. You have a mind to think with and the ability to take corrective action if needed. And see, I didn't always know this, but we have the ability to really make adjustments in our life if we see that we need to make adjustments. And it's okay to make adjustments, okay? And we can become like coyotes, okay, who are very adaptive in nature, okay? And so if we're in some situations that we need to adapt, okay, we need to be adaptive, that's okay, okay? We have that ability, that power within us. You see, you have the power to change your life. You have the power to change your destiny. Why? Because you have the power to choose. Because you have the power to think. Because you have the power to make decisions, okay? The late, great Jim Rohn, who I had the pleasure of meeting Jim years before he died, okay? But Jim Rohn says that we can have more than we've got because we can become more than we are, okay? For things to change, Jim says, you have to change. For things to get better, you have to get better. For things to improve, you have to improve. If you grow, everything grows for you. Some people are resistant to change because change will take you out of your comfort zones, okay? And nothing good comes from comfort zones, all right? Some people are threatened by change because to change makes some people feel that they are losing control of their lives. Isn't that so ridiculous? It is, okay? When in fact, okay, the opposite is true. A person who decides to change his or her life for the better is beginning to take control of their lives and their destinies. And that is power. That's the power that you and I have as individuals, okay? The easy way out is to stay clear of taking risks and to continue to do what you've always done. See, that's the easy way out. Well, that's that brief message. Now, look, give me 30 seconds. I'm going to share this with you. I just wanted to thank you once again for stopping by to check out this brief message today. Hope you heard something there that you can grab hold of. Look, I'm an independent business owner with Genusity 2.0, which is a great home-based business opportunity. If you are looking for a great home-based business, I want you to consider taking a look at what we have to offer you. Okay, I'm also working on putting together my success motivation conference calls, webinars, okay, absolutely free. And so I'm going to leave a link so that you can connect with me, get more information. Okay, we'll give you updates and all of that on what's going on. Man, we've got some powerful things coming down the pike, some powerful training stuff that we're going to be doing, personal growth and development, transformational coaching, and we'll do it right on conference calls and webinars, and it's going to be free. All right. So grab the link. Okay. If you have an interest in connecting with us, getting information. And again, I say thank you. Appreciate you much and hope you're having a blessed and wonderful day today. If not, do so. Bye-bye now.